beautiful family. Hello family, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depends on where you guys are watching me from, and I hope you guys are doing perfectly fine. And thank you guys for your amazing support. So today we'll be analyzing and talking about some amazing lotion that you can actually use to repair your skin, most especially if you have skin discoloration or you have used any chemical cream before or bleaching cream that you don't like, and probably you end up destroying your skin or having some skin discoloration or patches on your skin, and you are looking for an amazing lotion to start up with before you can decide the lightening product or whitening product you can go back to. So these are the lotions I will be talking about, okay? And I will be adding just one serum to it in case you want to miss any of this lotion, any moisturizing lotion. You can just go ahead and mix this amazing serum with it, and I will be talking about the serum as well. So first of all, before we begin this review, please, if you are new on this channel, you are highly welcome. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do wait to subscribe, turn on the notification bell. This way you can get notified anytime there is a new upload from me to you. For my returning subscribers, for my new ones, thank you so much for your support. May God bless you all. So now guys, please, if you are watching this video, before you leave, don't forget to like this video, and if you have anything to say, if you have used any of this product before, you can just go ahead and state your opinion so that we will know more about it, okay? You know, everybody, we are learning, okay? So I just want to state my opinion and why you should go for it, because it's actually good. But I don't know about you if you have tried it. For me, I've tried one of it when I was pregnant, and I believe it was actually good on my skin during my pregnancy, okay? So first of all guys, I would love to talk about this amazing Neutrogena. So this particular one, this is the one I used before I got myself this, and this one is just half now, so I have to stop it. So I was just using my cream maybe probably once in a day. I've used a lot of product when I was pregnant. I used Palma cocoa, something like that, but I had to stop it because the smell wasn't that nice for me again. You know, when you are pregnant, you are allergic to a different scent or something like that, this smell or something like that. So, and I got myself this particular one. It was kind of affordable, and I bought this one. It's actually good guys, most especially it's good for dry sensitive skin. If your skin is very dry, you can just go ahead and get yourself this particular one. It doesn't really matter you have to be pregnant before you can use it. No, you can use it anyhow, anytime. You can use it any season guys, being summer, being winter, you can use this particular product. But I would advise you, if you know that your skin is very strong, because this one, it do moisturize the skin, but it's not that long, because when you use it to rub your skin, it will dry easily, to absorb easily, but it won't get up to 24 hours before your skin can start, let me say, breaking. When I mean breaking, it's not just breaking like having pigmentation, breaking like dry. Your skin will look like white, like somebody who does not even who didn't even apply any body lotion, okay? So all you just need to do is just go ahead and add this particular serum. Add any serum, vitamin E, any serum that you know it's suitable on your skin. You can just go ahead and add it to it. It's actually good. It helps tone your skin, it helps moisturize your skin, most especially if you want to maintain your skin. If you have used any other product before, you want to maintain your skin, it will help moisturize your skin, help your skin, okay? But it's not going to make you white. Instead, it will help maintain your skin tone. So that is it for this particular one. So let me just go straight and be analyzing the other products of which I said I will be talking about. So the next one I will be talking about is this Vaseline Intensive Care Cocoa Radiant with pure cocoa butter. It's good for dry skin, it's good for normal skin guys. It glows your skin, and if you are using it, make sure you use it continuously. It's not something that you would use. All this product I'm making review of, it's not a product that you will use and stop. Make sure you use it continuously, and the more you use it, the more you get the result. But if you feel like you want to add any other whitening or serums to it, you can go ahead. But before then, make sure it's the serum that you trust those products very well. It won't give you patches or white discoloration, or dark patches or white patches or discoloration on your skin. Make sure it's the brand that you trust, because for me, if I want to miss anything, I have to miss a little and try it before I can keep doing it, okay? So at least 2 weeks, 3 weeks, you will definitely know if that product is good on your skin. Because for me, if I'm using any product that is not good, the maximum weeks I would know that that product is not good is 2 weeks, because I will start seeing some patches on my skin. That is how I will know that that product is not good, or what I mix it with is not nice. Okay, so this particular one is actually good. It hydrates the skin, it makes your skin to glow naturally. Actually, it's actually good for caramel dark skin. Even if you are fair, you can go for it. It's actually good, guys, and it's also safe to use during pregnancy. It's also safe to use during pregnancy, and it doesn't contain anything like hydroquinone or steroid. So that is to say, you can just go ahead and use it continuously. Most especially, guys, if you want to enjoy this product, is during winter time when there is no sun. Everything you apply on your skin work easily. So I will advise you, if you want to go for this, you can go for this. There is no problem. Okay, so the next one I will be talking about is this amazing Garnier Body Intensive 7 Days Ultra Replenishing Lotion, hydrating fat up to 7 days. So this particular one is prebiotic extra plus shea butter, very dry skin, fast absorption. So it's actually good for dry skin. It's also mixed with shea butter, and it's actually good, guys. So this particular one, you can actually know if it is nice or if it is bad during 7 days. It's written here. You can know if the product is actually good. And this one is good for skin elasticity. It will help your skin look so firm, and most especially if you have wrinkles on your skin. Yeah, most people do have wrinkles. What I mean wrinkles, fault skin. You can go ahead and be using this particular one. It will help on rapid, I would like, let me say, it will help maintain your skin. Okay, it will help your skin to look more nice, because actually, you guys know shea butter is actually good on the skin. Just that most people don't like using shea butter. They feel like it will darken their skin. I came to realize when I was pregnant that shea butter is the most wanted product you need to mix with your cream. Even white product, any cream that you are using, you can just melt your shea butter, make it as if you are using, melt your shea butter and add it to your product. Believe me, there is no way you will have hyperpigmentation, dry skin, skin discoloration. It will help repair your skin easily. So this particular one, you can go for it, and you can actually mix it with any other product apart from whitening product. But if you still choose to use whitening product along with it, it's your choice. It's not my choice. But I will always advise people to mix your cream according to your skin tone. Okay, if you want to maintain your skin, make sure you look for nice serum or normal lightening serum or oil to mix your cream with. Don't go ahead and mix whitening product with this particular one. So in case you are looking for if you want to whiten up your skin, I will still advise you can just go for normal whitening product. Go for the full set. You will definitely achieve what you want. Okay, so and like I said before, I said I will be telling you guys the serum that is actually safe to use during to mix any of this product, any of this moisturizing product. Or if you feel like you don't want to get this particular one, anyone you know that it do rhyme with your skin, is good with your skin is okay with it, you can just go ahead and use it. There is no problem. So this particular serum is Olay. This particular one is with collagen and peptidin. If I'm not pronouncing this well, I'm very, very sorry. It's good for, it's extra restoring day serum, fragrance free. So this particular serum, guys, you can use just like this on the face. There is no problem, and you can as well go ahead and add it to your cream. But if you don't want to add it to your cream, there are ways you can actually use this serum to achieve what you actually want. Okay, it is saying that if you know that because it's very, very small, it's not that big, you can just add a little, put a little on your pan and put your body cream, then mix it together and start using it like that, because if you want to add everything, if you want to mix it with your cream, it's very, very small and you won't get the result easily. So I will advise you, if you want to use any serum, a normal serum that is normal tone or lightening serum, add just a little on your pan and add your body lotion, mix it together, then use it. But for your face, you can actually apply this directly on your face. Okay, there is no problem. It's not going to cost you anything, sunburn or anything, hyperpigmentation or give you wrinkles. No, it's actually good, guys. So that is it for my video. But for this particular one, guys, I've used it. I know it's very, very nice, and I have to stop it because it wasn't, I just want to lighten up my skin now. That is why I show you guys the product I'm using, which is Macari right now. But for those of you who are looking for a way to repair your skin, to keep your skin intact, if you have used any product before that is not good, just go and get this. Use it on a maximum of 2 months. Believe me, your skin will bounce back, and then look for something else to lighten your skin with. But if you want to mix this one with anything lightening product, you can go ahead and mix it, as well as that product is good on your skin. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, and I so much appreciate you. See you guys in my next amazing video. Stay safe and may God bless you. Don't forget to keep on liking, share, and subscribe to my channel. God bless you as you do so. Do have a blessed day and stay safe. Bye bye. We love you.